How to delete Jet2 account. So if you want to delete your Jet2 account, then first open up a browser, go for the search bar, search for Jet2, go for the first search, which is www.jet2.com, and it will take you to the website. So make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, then you can go for My Jet2, or you can go for your profile, which is on the upper right, and scroll down and go for personal details. Once you open your personal details, now scroll all the way down, and here you will have delete account option on the last. Simply click on delete account, and now scroll down again, and then you need to choose a reason why you would like to delete your account. Simply choose a reason and then click on delete account. So to delete your account, you need to verify your email address. So enter your email address and click on send verification code. And now you will receive a verification code to your email address. So you need to simply open up your mail and enter that code here. And here you will get the code, right? So simply go for that, copy this code, paste it here, and then click on verify. And now if you really want to delete your account, then click on yes, delete account. So it says that your account will no longer be accessible and will be completely removed within 14 days. So if you don't log into your account within 14 days, then your account will be permanently deleted. So simply click on yes, delete account. That's it, your account has been deleted successfully. So that's how you delete, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.